Yeah. Now let's start understanding AWS IAM uh, continuation. So enabling multi-factor authentication to IAM user. So now let's see, we have IAM user. So this is my AWS, AWS. So 200 plus services, 200 plus services. And in this 200 plus services, let's say we given two services access to my user one, user one, user one using username, user one using username and password to log into this management console. Yes or no? Along with the password, along with the password, I want to give additional security called multi-factor authentication. What is the advantage of multi-factor authentication? What is the advantage of multi-factor authentication? Let's say someone knows your password. Someone knows your password. With the password, they cannot log in because they need additional multi-factor authentication. It may be SMS, it may be email, it may be some other third-party tool like Microsoft Authenticator or Google Authenticator. We have to install and we have to use that authenticator and we have to generate a authenticator key. Then we have to enter that authenticator key value to log in. Then only user can log in. So we are providing additional protection or additional security to your user login. Now let's see how to how to enable multi-factor authentication to your user login. So let's go to AWS IAM user. Okay, AWS IAM user. Go to users. Select your user. In this user, you can see security credentials. Then here you can see assign multi-factor authentication. Click on assign multi-factor authentication. And here we have multiple options. Passkey or authenticator app and hardware uh, uh, TOTP token. I'm selecting authenticator app. I'm giving name is dev developer hyphen auth authentication. Then here I'm selecting authenticator app. Click on next button and here click on multi-factor show QR code. 1 minute to take any install authenticator app in your mobile. It may be Google Authenticator. It may be Microsoft Authenticator. Open that authenticator. So I am opening authenticator in my mobile. Then click on show QR code. Then scan QR code. Okay. Now, now click on add, enter the code. So I'm enter the code 006, 1 minute, 456469. Let's wait a few seconds to generate another code. Three, four, 5, 8, 2. Then click on add multi-factor authentication. That's it. Now, now log in as your IAM user. log in as your IAM user. So here permissions, okay, your user, security credentials. So this is my console login. Take this console login, open incognito window, enter this login URL, enter your username Sreenivasa, then enter your password, then click on sign in. Once you click on sign in, it is asking multi-factor authentication. Then open your authenticator app. Then now go to your authenticator app. Then open your username, enter password. Sorry, uh, open authentication code. Click on sign in. Now it will allow you to sign in. So we are providing additional security to your user login. Okay, clear, right, team? How to enable multi-factor authentication to your user? Clear, right? Yeah.